in Bangladesh, presented by Sabiha Yasmin. Introduction. Slide 2. Introduction. What is the balance of payments? A record of all economic transactions between the residents of a country and the rest of the world over a specific time period, divided into current account, capital account, and financial account. Focus of the presentation: analyzing the current BOP situation in Bangladesh. Key issues: trade balance, remittance, capital flows, and foreign reserves. Components of the balance of payments: current account, balance, exports minus imports. Service balance include earnings from services like shipping, tourism, etc. Income balance earning from foreign investment and payments made to foreign investors. Transfers, remittance and other unilateral transfers. Capital account involves transaction of capital transfer, including debit forgiveness and migrant transfer. Financial account includes foreign direct investment, foreign portfolio investment, and other investment inflows. Bangladesh current account situation: trade deficit. Bangladesh has traditionally experienced a trade deficit, importing more than it exports. K imports energy, raw materials, machinery. K exports ready-made garments, textile, agriculture products. In recent years, imports have surged, particularly due to rising global fuel price. Service and income. Service: Bangladesh experienced a service trade deficit with heavy reliance on import of technology and transport service. Income balance: while remittance remain a key source of income, the income balance is negative due to higher payments to foreign investors in the form of interest and dividends. The role of remittance in the current account. Importance of remittance. Remittance are the largest source of foreign exchange for Bangladesh. Record inflows in recent years, often existing 20 billion annually. Positive $20 billion annually. Positive impact on the current account by porti- partially of the trade deficit. Challenge and opportunities. Challenge: decline remittance growth amid global economic showdown and geographical instability. Opportunities: continued government incentive to encourage official remittance channels. Capital and financial accounts. Capital accounts relatively small in Bangladesh. BOP primarily focused on migrant transfer and debt relief. Low inflows in capital account reflecting limited international financial aid or capital transfer. Financial account: foreign direct investment. Bangladesh has seen moderate growth in FDI, particularly in sectors like telecommunications, energy, and infrastructure. Foreign portfolio investment: increasing interest from global investors but low compared to regional ports. BOP and foreign exchange reserves. Foreign reserves situation: Bangladesh foreign reserves are crucial in managing the BOP deficit, supporting the Taka exchange rate, and meeting international obligations. Reserve level have been under pressure due to increased import costs, primarily for energy and global inflation. Reserve decline and policy responses. Reserve decline: decrease in reserve in recent years due to high import payment and external debit service. Government measures: Bangladesh Bank intervention in foreign exchange market and negotiations with international lenders to bolster reserves. Challenge and risk to Bangladesh: increasing external debit. Growing debit servicing obligations are straining the financial account. External debit management becomes critical to ensure sustainable BOP stability. Commodity price volatility. Oil gas price have a direct impact on Bangladesh import cost. Inflation pressure from rising global commodity price could further affect the BOP. Geopolitical and global economic factors. Russia, Ukraine war, US, China trade transaction and other geopolitical issues can disrupt global trade flows and investment impacting Bangladesh BOP. Conclusion summary of key point. Bangladesh faces a persistent trade deficit and external in its balance of payments. Remittance play a crucial role in mitigating the current account deficit. Financial and capital account need further strengthening to improve overall BOP balance. Strategic measures to diversify export and reduce energy import dependency are essential for long-term BOP stability. Thank you.